Hi, I'm Kathy Barker from Software Solutions, and you're watching one of the videos I've created about creating visualizations in Power BI for desktop. I now want to show you decomposition trees. Now, decomposition trees lets you visualize data across multiple dimensions. It actually aggregates data and allows you to drill down to various aspects. It has a certain amount of artificial intelligence about it. So let's have a look at how we can make decomposition trees to particularly see the highest and lowest values in your data. I'm going to start by creating a new page in my report. So I'm just going to hit the plus down below and I'm going to double click and I'm going to name this page Sales Decomposition. I'm also going to add a text box up here and Sales Decomposition, Control A, and increase the text box font size to 18 and then just resize. I also want to format the page, so I'm going to go into my format, canvas background, change the color to white plus 10%, darker, and 50% transparency. All right, let's add a decomposition tree. So in your visualization pane, a decomposition tree looks like this. I'll click it, I'll move it, and I'll resize it so I can clearly see what's going on here. All right. Now we need to decide what we want to see. I want to analyze total sales. So I go to my table called fact order details and I grab total sales and I drop that into the analyze bucket. So I want to analyze the sum of my total sales. And I could rename that if I wanted to. Rename for this visual, grand total sales. All right, now what I want to do is I want to explain my total sales by potentially 3 aspects, but you can have as many as you want, 1, 2, 3 or more. I want to explain my total sales by category name. So I'm going to grab category name and drop it in the explain by. But I also want to explain my total sales by the country to which I ship to. So ship country. And I might also like to explain it by ship city, so I'll add that as well. You can add multiple fields to the actual explain by field. All right, so I see my total sales sitting here in my decomposition tree. A total sales of basically 1.3 million. Now I want to know the highest value, so I'm going to hit this plus. I want to know the highest value and it'll determine by which field you got the highest value. And so the highest value came from category. And that's probably because there's less categories than there are countries or cities. So that's naturally going to be where the highest values sit. Now it tells me the highest sales figure came from beverages, followed by dairy products, followed by meat, followed what have you. So then I want to hit the plus again and say, look, show me the highest value again by either country or city. And so it comes to me and says the highest value by country was the next highest aggregate, and it was the US. And I think we saw that pretty much in that scatter chart that we created earlier. So the highest sales was by the US, followed by Germany, followed by Brazil. But that's for beverages. If I click on dairy products, then it gives me artificial intelligence and says the highest value by dairy products was actually Germany and then the USA. So you can actually click on these different branches within your decomposition tree to get artificial intelligence and information. If I hit the plus again and go for the last highest value, because I'm only explaining by 3 fields, it gives me, of course, country. And so the highest total sales was for beverages in the country USA, and within USA, it was Albuquerque. Albuquerque, 19,000 purchases of beverages, followed by Eugene, and so on. Whereas if I go to dairy products, the highest was Germany and Gundevald. So really, really intelligent. If I then hit the X, I can close this off. And I can say, actually, show me the lowest value. And so it gives me the inverse. The lowest value, of course, was by city. So that tells me there were way more cities than there were countries or categories. But if I scroll up to the top, right to the top, Gundeveld, and then if I hit the plus and ask for the lowest value within that, then it says the lowest value was grains, and so on and so forth. And if I hit the X and I hit the X, if I hit the plus, I can choose how I want to show it. So I can say, look, show me by category, show me by country, show me by city. So a lot of intelligent information coming to you in the form of a decomposition tree. And I'm going to save that. Join me for the next video.